Hello, welcome to MathMath. Prove that integral 1 dx is equal to x. So let's write our solution and then we repeat this one. Here we'll just rewrite this one, okay, using trig identities, okay. So we write 1. So we are going to rewrite this one using sine x squared plus cos x squared, okay. So let's write. Here we are going to split them and then integrate them separately. So split them. So when you split them, you're going to get integral sine x squared dx plus integral cos x squared dx. Okay, so let's write. Okay, so we are going to integrate them separately. Okay, but we call this one A, then we call this one what? B. Okay, so let's write. Integrating them separately. Let's start with A, that is integrating A, that is this one. Okay, so let's write. Let's write the question. Now here we are going to replace this one with half minus half cos 2x. That one is also a double angle formula under trig identities. Okay, so using trig identities, now let's write. Now here we are going to factor out the half and write it outside the integration. So factor out the half, then we write it outside the integration here. Okay, so let's write. Now when you factor out the half, you are going to get 1 minus cos 2x. Okay, here we are going to split them and then integrate it separately. Okay, so but we'll bracket it first to make the work look nice. Okay, so let's proceed. Now when you split them, you're going to get half into bracket integral 1 dx minus integral cos 2s dx. Here when you integrate this, you're going to get s, and when we integrate this, you're going to get half sine 2x. Okay, so we just maintain this half and then we write the answers for this one. Okay, so let's write. Now here we are going to open the bracket. Okay, so open the bracket. Now we multiply this one by this and then this one by this one. Okay, so when you multiply this by this, we are going to get half s, and when you multiply this by this, we are going to get 1 over 4 sine 2x. Okay, so let's write. Now this is the answer for integration A. Okay, so let's look at integration B. So integrating B. Now let's write the question for B. Here we are going to replace this one with a double angle formula under trig identity. That is half plus half cos 2x. Okay, so using trig identities. Now let's write half plus half cos 2x dx. Here we are just going to factor out the half. Okay, so factor out half and then we write it outside the integration. Okay, so let's write. Now when we factor out the half, we are going to get 1 plus cos 2x dx. Okay, here we are going to split it and then integrate them separately. Okay, so let's write. Now when you split it, we are going to get half into bracket integral of 1 dx plus integral cos 2x dx. Okay, when we integrate this one, we are going to get x, and when you integrate this one, we are going to get 1 over 2 sine 2x. 1 over 2 sine 2x. Okay, so let's write. So half into bracket x plus 1 over 2 sine 2x. Now let's open the bracket. Okay, so open the bracket. Now we open the bracket by multiplying this one by this and then this by that. Okay, so when you multiply this by this, we are going to get half x, and then when you multiply this one by this, you are going to get 1 over 4 sine 2x. Okay, so let's write. Now this is the answer for integration b. So we are going to put a and b together. Okay, so put a and b together. So let's write 1 over 2s minus 1 over 2x minus 1 over 4 sine 2x plus 1 over 2s plus 1 over 4 sine 2x. Now this one is for b and then this one is for a. Okay, so what are you going to do? We group like terms. Okay, so let's group like terms. Group like terms. Now let's write half x plus 1 over 4 sine 2x minus 1 over 4 sine 2x. Now this one and this one will cancel each other, and then we'll be left with this one. Okay, so when we add half plus half, we are going to get 2 over 2x. Okay, so and then this will just give us x. Therefore, integral of 1 dx is equal to x plus c. Okay, so let's write. Therefore, integral of 1 is equal to x plus c. Now, this tells us why when we integrate this one, it gives us what? X and then plus what? The c. Okay, all right, that's it. Please, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.